Want to take your maps beyond basic colors and shapes? In this video, we're diving into advanced symbology in QGIS, where your maps don't just look good, they actually think. You'll learn how to style layers using rules, drive symbols directly from data, visualize hotspots with heat maps, and blend layers for professional-grade results. Because symbology isn't just about aesthetics, it's about communication. Let's start with rule-based symbology. Go to Layer Properties, give Symbology, gives Rule-Based Renderer. Here, you can define logical conditions like population thresholds, road types, or status fields. Next, we add data-defined overrides. Let you control symbol size, color, rotation, and opacity directly from your attribute table. For point-heavy datasets, QGIS offers the Heatmap Renderer. This is perfect for visualizing density, like crime hotspots, customer locations, or service coverage. You can control radius, weight fields, transparency, and color ramps to create smooth, intuitive density maps. Once your styling is complete, don't forget to save it. Export your styles as QML or SLD files and reuse them across projects or share them with your team. Here's what to remember. Rule-based symbology lets you apply logic to styling. Data-defined overrides keep maps dynamic. Heat maps reveal patterns instantly. Blending modes add realism and depth. Combine them all and your maps start telling real stories. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on QGIS.